UnlockTool forum. Here put two process, but I tried this process and download the Windows here. I download Windows Cloudflare here. I don't already download it, and one is click here, properties, QoS, pocket schedule, IP. We have four properties. Use this and click here. One, 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 zero, zero, one. Okay, but here give IP of the unlock server. No. Okay, close and open. But you see the internet connection is 0. Now I go to properties, click here and obtain the open ID and properties 6. Now log on the unlock tool, but unlock tool not open. Now I try to download this Cloudflare Windows file. I already download it. Download. Cloud WARP release 40. Installation package not supported. The process. My Windows 32-bit. If your Windows 64-bit, you try to download Cloudflare WARP release x46 and install it, and then open it. If your system is the 64-bit, any Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, then download the Cloudflare VPN and install it. Then open the unlock tool. Unlock tool open successfully.